Conductive sewing lets you create flexible electronics projects that you can wear, perfect for costumes and crafts. Today, we'll make a simple light-up bracelet. For this project, you'll need needles, scissors, regular thread, conductive thread, snaps, an LED, battery holder, and battery. You'll also need some felt. Optionally, you might want some fabric glue or hot glue. Choose your felt color and cut it to at least 2 inches wide by long enough to wrap around your wrist with at least 1 inch extra for overlap. Now we'll lay out the parts. Our circuit has a metal snap, going to a battery, providing power to an LED, which then goes to a conductive metal snap that loops back around to the first half of the snap, completing or closing the circuit. Make sure the positive of the LED faces the positive of the battery holder. On all components, the colored part is positive and the white is negative. Start by stitching down the LED and the battery holder in place with a regular thread. This physically holds the parts in place and will make it easier to sew with the conductive thread. Thread the needle with conductive thread. Tie a knot 3 times in the end to form a loop. The knots will keep the thread from pulling through the material. The 2 halves of the snap go on opposite ends of the bracelet, with 1 half on the back of the bracelet so that it will meet with the other when the bracelet forms a loop. Stitch down the snap with conductive thread, pushing the needle through the felt and a hole in the snap. Loop it 3 times and repeat on the other sides until all 4 holes are sewn. Next, continue sewing towards the negative end of the battery holder. It's okay to use large stitches to get to the holder. Sew through the negative hole of the battery holder and loop the thread 3 times tightly. Knot on the bottom side of the bracelet and cut the thread. Thread the needle with new conductive thread. Loop 3 times through the positive hole of the battery holder. Sew to the positive end of the LED. And loop the thread tightly 3 times through the hole. Knot on the bottom side of the bracelet and cut the thread. Thread the needle with new conductive thread again. Sew through the negative hole of the LED and loop tightly 3 times. Sew over to the second half of the snap. Make sure the snap is on the back of the bracelet. Sew the snap in place, looping through all 4 holes. Tie a knot on the bottom of the bracelet and cut the thread. Now it's time to test the bracelet. Slide the battery into the holder positive side up. Loop the bracelet and form a closed circuit by snapping the snaps together. The bracelet will light up. If it doesn't, make sure the battery isn't upside down. Check the polarity of the battery holder, the LED, and for any short circuits. If needed, you can use a dab of glue as an insulator over the conductive thread. Glue is also an easy way to attach decorations. Now decorate your bracelet any way you want. Go wild with shapes and colors or check out our free downloadable templates. Alternatively, you can also make a similar non-sewing project using maker tape. Sewing circuits from Brown Dog Gadgets. What will you make?